Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and placing the headphones on a clean surface. This prevents dirt and accidental input. Next, focus on one ear cup, usually the left, and find the seam where the pad meets the housing because that's where clips hide. Insert your fingernail or a plastic pry tool under the fabric lip and lift slowly. You feel and hear small clips release. Once done, keep the pad aligned so you can see the attachment points for reassembly. Once the pad is partially lifted, continue peeling it back slowly, following the clip pattern so you don't break tabs. The reason is that clips are plastic and brittle with age. Inspect the foam and any adhesive or plastic ring for tears or deformation. This tells you whether to reuse or replace parts. Make sure to clean the housing ridge and clip slots with a dry cotton swab so new pads sit flush and secure. After that, orient the replacement pad for alignment. You align the inner ring of the new pad to the housing, matching any tab markings. This ensures correct fit and left/right orientation. Then, press the pad into the housing starting at one clip and moving around evenly. Rotate the pad slightly while pressing so each clip snaps into place and the edge seals. Make sure to test fit and sound by wearing them briefly. If you notice looseness or odd noise, reseat the pad or try your spare. Troubleshooting tip. If clip
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.